I'm Elizabeth Finley with the Finley Group of eXp Realty, your luxury living authority. And today I'm going to show you a new home community called Cypress Point by KB Homes here in North Oceanside. And it is an enclave of 54 detached homes. Some notable features of the community are that there is going to be a community park here. It's walking distance to Foussat Elementary School. It's conveniently accessed to both the I-5 and the Highway 76 freeways. It's only 3 miles to Camp Pendleton, 5 miles to Oceanside Beach and Pier, and it is in a gated community near the ocean, hiking trails, great shopping, and local schools. So there are 3 floor plans here to choose from. There is only one that is modeled. That's the one we're going to look at today. They range in size from 1751 to 1922 square feet. Prices range respectively from $944,990 to $976,990. Okay, I'm ready to go check it out. Are you? This first model is a 2-story with 3 beds, 2.5 baths with a loft and approximately 1,864 square feet. It's offered at $959,990. But before we go inside, be sure and hit the like button, subscribe button, and bell below to get notified anytime we release videos like these. All right, let's go check it out. Okay, wow, this home is fantastic, isn't it? I also found out that solar is included with the purchase price and there's no mellow roofs. So I'm curious, you guys, what was your favorite part about this home? My favorite part is that the home has so many windows and it's so light and bright, and it fit 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths in a space that doesn't feel small at all. And one of the best things is it's backed up to a wetland preserve that is never going to be built on. So you will have your own private countryside, and there is a trail out there that goes 4 miles to the ocean or 5 miles more eastward. So you pick your choice, but this is your own Shangri-La. I'm so glad that builders are still finding open spaces here and there to build new construction so close to the ocean and yet make it affordable. We need more of this. Thank you, KB Homes. Keep going. I want to thank you for touring these homes with me today. And again, please comment below. Let me know what was your favorite part. And while you're at it, please tap the like button, subscribe button, and bell below to subscribe to our channel as we bring videos to you often. Again, I'm Elizabeth Finley with the Finley Group of eXp Luxury. See you next time.